Welcome to the System Management Tool tutorial for Pharmaceutical Net Pro. In this session, we'll delve into the System Management Tool, exploring its various features for smooth operation and system security. To open the System Management Tool, click the System button in the Pharmaceutical Net Pro screen's footer. This page provides straightforward access to all tools and configurations available in the software, including User Management, where System Administrator can create, modify, remove users and accessing group, and more. A dedicated demonstration video is available for more information. Remote Assistance. This button will open a TeamViewer or similar remote access control application to allow an authorized particle measuring systems engineer to remotely access the system and provide immediate assistance. Start VNC Viewer. Another remote access to seamlessly connect to the Facility Pro processor, typically located in a technical area, and ensure a simple troubleshooting or advanced configuration without moving from the software access location. Once the operation is validated with the electronic signature, the system will show the Facility Pro processor main interface. Sensor Editor, an all-in-one place where authorized users can edit the sensor's detail, including sensor type, selectable between particle counters, microbial samplers, or analog input. The sensor short ID, the sensor custom ID, where a comprehensive name can be entered to easily identify the specific sensor. A description field, useful for example to describe the location or sensor characteristics. A Boolean, true-false selection to activate or deactivate configured sensors. Additional configuration are available for specific sensor type. For example, the particle counter sampling point can be associated with cleanroom cleanliness class, such as GMP grade A, B, C, or D. Microbial sampling point can also be deeply configured selecting the nominal flow rate, the maximum allowed volume, between 25 and 3,600 based on sensor type, and time, automatically calculated considering sampling flow rate and maximum volume. Those parameters are important to prevent sampling recipe that exceed the maximum permissible volume for the specific agar plate and ensure the media do not get dry, and the associated area group to better collocate the sensor in their respective area location and facilitate reporting, sampling configuration, and recipe management. Moving on into the system configuration page, we will find Reset Buffer function, usable during system data, Buffer synchronization to reset the data buffer starting point. Copy backup file to move any available database backup into a network or local folder. The button will remain grayed out for the whole duration of the copying operation. Copy PDF files to perform the same file move operation, selecting the PDF of interest and ensuring archive into local or network folders. Archive database. This button will execute all necessary operation to stop the application, close the actual database container, perform the archive operation, and restart the application using a new database file. This operation is required every time the system reaches the maximum permitted database size threshold, 5 GB, and ensure high reporting and trending performance. Archived data will remain available in the system and will be automatically retrieved by the Report Generator tool, providing the users a seamless operation experience. System Shutdown and System Restart. Both buttons will launch a pre-configured script to ensure the restart and shutdown operation are performed in the correct manner, preserving data storage from corruption and ensuring software health operation. Close Application. This button will simply close the Pharmaceutical Net Pro client application, leaving the operating system running. Database Backup Configuration. This tool will allow for customized configuration of automatic database backup, including the execution time of the day, the amount of days the system will retain old backup, and the local or network path where the single file database backup shall be stored. Client Configuration. Here, the allowed user can configure multiple useful settings, such as the local PDF directory, the custom homepage to be used by the specific client, enabling or disabling the alarm horn on the specific client and the alarm window's default behavior, as well as the default selected area for the client. All these settings are extremely useful when configuring a client dedicated to an area of the systems, even physically located next to a filling machine or another relevant location. While keeping the ability to access the whole systems, this configuration will ensure the default visualization remain meaningful for the user operating from that client. Pharma Net Pro can be operated from up to 25 network clients in hybrid thick or thin configuration simultaneously. Windows Task Manager. This button will bring authorized users into the Microsoft Windows operating system. This action might be required to execute OS settings and is further restricted by the electronic signature prompt to ensure action traceability. Manual Backup. This quick button allows for a one-time manual backup recommended before executing any system configuration change or update. Connected Clients. We'll show the list of actually connected client station. Predefined Comments. A one-stop tool to pre-populate a list of comments to be seamlessly selected by the user when performing the electronically signature operation. Moving on in this rich system configuration page, we will find the Notification Hub setting dashboard. The Notification Hub provides to the Pharma Net Pro the ability to send email and promptly notify configured user anytime a specific event or alarm occur. The Notification Hub offers a multitude of available configurations, which has been described and explored in a dedicated tutorial video. Last tool in the System Management window is the PC horn. Clicking this button, the user can enable or disable to computer horn signal for alarm event notification, the sound frequency, and the duration. Please note the PC horn function is only available when speakers are installed and configured in the local client computer. That's all from the System Management screen. More details and function description can be found in the Pharma Net Pro user manual, as well as contacting our particle measuring system support agents.